Hey everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix a touchpad that isn't working on your Dell laptop so you can actually navigate smoothly again. So first, simply make sure the touchpad isn't disabled. So to check, simply press FN plus F3 at the same time. Or you can also press the key with the touchpad icon on your keyboard to turn it on. Then next, simply check the touchpad settings. So to do this, simply go to Settings, then Devices, then Touchpad. From there, you then have to make sure that it's turned on, and you can also adjust the sensitivity if needed. Now, if it's still not working, you can also update or reinstall the touchpad driver. So simply press Windows plus X at the same time. Then head over to your device manager. Then navigate to mice and other pointing devices. From there, you then have to right click on your touchpad and select Update Driver. Or you can also click Uninstall Device, then restart your laptop. And don't worry, your laptop is then going to reinstall your driver automatically. Now finally, if nothing works, you can also try checking Dell's support site for your laptop model. Then download the latest touchpad driver directly from them. So after these steps, your Dell touchpad should work perfectly again. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we will see you on the next one.